How to recover data after doing factory reset on Android. So let's get started. As many Android users don't back up their Android devices before performing a factory reset, in this situation they need an Android data recovery tool, which is DroidKit Android Data Recovery. All you have to do is open DroidKit on your computer, then hit Quick Recovery from Device on the welcome page. You will see several types of data that the program supports recovering, and select all or some of them to get started. Now, follow the on-screen instructions to connect your Android device via a USB cable. Here, we take photos as an example. You can preview and recover photos after factory reset from Android to device or to PC. When the restoring process finishes, you will see the recovered successfully interface as shown above. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.